go.
What's up guys, Phil here today with another video, and today I'll be unboxing these. These are fake AirPods. Yeah, they're not for me, they are for a friend who was looking to acquire some fake AirPods. He knows they're fake, of course. I'm not gonna say they're real AirPods and then sell it to a person. I'm a businessman of some integrity. So yeah, he said he wanted fake AirPods. Well, he knows they're fake. I told him they're fake, and it was like, okay, just tell me how much they are. So I'm just gonna quickly do an unboxing of these today. So I hope you guys all enjoy this video, and yeah, we'll see how these look. Here are the AirPods, as you can see there. When I flip the box around, now you can see the back of the box. It doesn't really require a knife of any sort, but I just feel like using a knife. Okay, there we go. We're sliding it out. Yeah, so here we have them. Gonna take it out there, and here we have them. These are fake AirPods. We're gonna put that to the side, see what else we have in the box. Okay, we have the charging cable, of course. We have the instruction manual. I'm not gonna take all of that stuff out because I am still gonna give this to the friend if he still wants them. Oh, I just noticed this now. It actually charges with a lightning port. Interesting. Looks like these guys paid attention to detail. So if you have an iPhone and you buy these fake pairs, you're not gonna be at a complete hindrance. Especially good. That went under there. And then this one on top, I remember. Yeah, look like that. So let's just open these. Ooh, they actually look better than expected, to be honest. I thought they were gonna be a huge clunky pair, but they are actually reasonable. So here is obviously the charging case. You just put these in and they'll charge after you pair them. That is really nice. It's got kind of a satisfying click to it. This is very nice. If the guy still wants them, I hope he is satisfied. But I just want to put them in contrast compared to this. This is another pair of wireless earbuds that I use. These are the earbuds. This is the charging case. Obviously, it's a bit bigger. And when you take these out, you just take them out like that. Take these out like that, and yeah. So this is how they look. I'm actually very surprised by these. Actually, you know what? I think I might just get a pair for myself. I cannot test these out or wear them because I am giving them to my friend if he still wants them. So yeah, this is how they look, and this is how they are compared to another one. I don't know how these sound or how good they sound. I hope they sound adequate or decent. I don't want to give a person a horrible product after all. So yeah, this is the unboxing. Alright, so these are the AirPods here. I'm just gonna quickly put them in my ear just to see how they work. Yeah, so they're fine. The only thing that you're gonna be missing from these is probably the controls and all the settings. Doesn't look like they're gonna fall out easily, or maybe my ears are just shaped in that right way that these things can just stay in. So this is how they look. I don't think the camera's focusing, but this is how they look from afar, and I am pretty surprised at how these things actually just look, I was expecting them to be a bit bulkier and clunkier. This is actually very nice. Now I would like to bring these ones back. They're basically a bit more subtle. This is how this looks. This is how that looks. This looks a bit more discreet. This just looks like a long stick poking at your ear. So yeah, so I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching, and peace.